Hello dear students, this is class 10th subject English. Today we will learn a lesson from a prose portion, that is Long Walk to Freedom. Long Walk to Freedom is an extract taken from Nelson Mandela's autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. In this autobiography, he talks about freedom and oppression. Nelson Mandela talks about ill effects of oppression. He talks about ill effects of enslavement. To bring freedom to the people of African people, particularly African black people, Nelson Mandela struggled for a long period of 27 years. On the soil of Africa, a racial system was prevailing. The system was being called as apartheid. Apartheid means separation of people on the basis of race, on the basis of creed, on the basis of color, on the basis of sex, on the basis of religion. African white people thought themselves as superiors over the black people. The black people were being deprived of their rights. They were being deprived of their privileges. They were being deprived of liberty and freedom. Nelson Mandela was one of the black people. He could not tolerate this. He struggled for a long period of 27 years. And after a long period of 27 years, African people was liberated out of this racial discrimination. Mandela calls apartheid an extraordinary human disaster, and he calls freedom as a glorious human achievement. He talks that the biggest wealth of a country's people is their freedom. In this lesson, he talks about the system of government, the strength of courage, the power of love, and the shallowness of hatred. He talks ill effects of hatred, that one people hates other people on the basis of racial discrimination. Mandela talks about oppressor and the oppression. Oppressor means the person who takes out freedom of other people, and oppressor means the people who is being oppressed. He talks about liberation of African people from the cage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, and other deprivations after a long period of 27 years. Mandela talks about liberation of black people from racial discrimination of the white people. Mandela talks about sacrifice of thousands of African people whose suffering and courage can never be forgotten. The black people of South Africa, they have given everlasting sacrifices to liberate their land from racial discrimination by the white people. Mandela says the policy of separateness, that is this policy of apartheid on the basis of racial discrimination, created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people that will last for a long time. But now this policy had gone forever. Africans will now live a dignified and respectful life full of liberty, irrespective of caste, color, creed, religion, etc. The days of oppression have gone. Mandela says that the greatest wealth of people is their freedom from oppression, from oppressors. He says that both the oppressor, person who takes others' freedom, and the oppressed one who is deprived of freedom are robbed of their humanity. After a long struggle of 27 years, this black person, namely Nelson Mandela, was elected as first president of fully libertable African land. he was elected freely and fairly the first president of Africa, now at a time when there is no racial supremacy of white people towards the black people. Hope you have understood this lesson in which Nelson Mandela talks about the freedom, the liberty, the ill effects of racial discrimination. Goodbye, dear students. Assalamu alaikum.